So we're back with a brand new product from JLabs. This time we're checking out the JBuds Mini. These are not only amazing headphones, so you got a lot of the same features you get with a lot of the JLab products, like the JLab equalization app to customize your audio settings. You have noise cancellation microphones specifically for clearer phone calls. You have the Be Aware setting to make sure you're aware of your surroundings. Everyday IPS5 weatherproofing, so you don't have to worry about like sweat getting in them. But on top of all of that, you do have a much smaller headphone. They are 50% smaller for the cases and then 30% smaller for the earbuds. So these things are tiny, great for on the go. Let's open this up. We'll talk a little bit more about that. They do come in a lot of really cool colors too. This is the hot pink and sage. So really great for someone who likes to really color customize what they're wearing. A really cool feature. Another really cool feature about JLabs is all their packaging, for the most part, is 100% recycled. So these products are really just very good at making sure that you're, being helpful for the environment. But yeah, really cool. So right off the bat, oh, those are tiny. Those are so tiny with a little built-in keychain. That's so cool. And then on the back side here, we have the manual. And you have a couple swap out headphones, head bits, and then you have your actual charging cable cord, which plugs in right here, USB-C, and then the cord itself is USB-C to USB-C. So you can get that fast charge in there. It pops open like this. Oh, those are so tiny. Pull this piece out so it can actually start charging. You'll still light a little light there, indicator. Wow. Those are so small. So small. Wow. I love these though, because you could keep these on a keychain. And because they're on a keychain, you really want to see how good is the case so it won't pop open on just some gentle so unless something catches the lip here, you're probably not going to pop these open. And even so, the magnetic hold, they're not just falling out. So yeah, you can feel confident not losing these on the go pretty easily. Let's look at this other, the hot pink though. Gotta see what the hot pink looks like, right? What better a combination to compare with than sage and hot pink, right? Look at that. Look at that. If you know somebody who loves hot pink, there are people out there that do. That is just stunning, the color. Oh, those earbuds. The stark difference is so impressive. Again, like I said, if you like hot pink, you like hot pink. Either you do or you don't. But that really stands out. That'll make an impression. And you can just, like I said, put those on your keychain, take them wherever you take your keys, and you've got your headphones on the go. That is so tiny. That is so cool. Let's actually check out how they sound, and we'll be right back. I love how compact and small those are, but they still produce quite the sound. Well, hopefully those are going to be great. That might be great stocking stuff for this holiday season, or just for an audiophile in your life that likes music on the go. Hopefully you guys pick those up, and we'll see you guys next time.